Good morning students. Here in this video I have explanation for chapter Should Wizards Hit Mummy by John Updike. The story Should Wizards Hit Mummy deals with a child's view of world and the difficult moral questions she raised during her story sessions with her father. It also raised the issue whether parents should decide for their children or children should decide for themselves. Here Jack is protagonist of the story. His storytelling sessions with his daughter Jo began 2 years ago. His story was variations of a basic storyline, and the main character was always a small creature named Roger, who always faced a problem. To solve his problem, Roger would go to Owl, who in turn asked Roger to go to Wizards, and the wizards would finally solve his problem, but of late the storytelling sessions had become tiresome for Jack as Jo was growing up, and her curiosity increased with the passage of time, and she always questioned everything which she heard. One Saturday, Jack told Jo a story about a new animal, Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk smelled very bad, so bad that no one played with him. All the animals of the forest teased him and called him Stunky Skunk. Here, Roger Skunk then went to Owl and told him his story. The owl sent him to the wizards, who made him smell like rose for the price of a few pennies. Roger Skunk was happy now, and he could now play with his friends, but the skunk's mother did not like the smells of rose. She was very angry and took Roger back to the wizards, hit him on his head, and ordered him to change Roger back to his original smell. Roger's skunk once again smelt very bad. But Jo did not like the ending of this story. She did not like the idea that Roger Skunk had no friends. She wanted her dad to change the ending and make the wizards hit Mummy. Here, Jo told her that it would be wrong because a mummy is always right. Here, we have some point to remember. Jack fabricated a story to tell to his 2 years old daughter Jo. He created a basic plot where the main protagonist was an animal named Roger, a small creature, and the animal had a problem and went to the owl, and owl advised him to go to wizards, and the wizards solved the problems and charged Roger pennies more than he had. However, he also guided him how to get the required pennies. One day Jack told a story about Roger Skunk, who smelled so bad that other